now Reels and messaging. The best business experiences meet people where they are.
Mark Zuckerberg was not making a statement into thin air when he said these words during Meta's first ever conversation event. Meta just announced that the WhatsApp Cloud API and businesses across the world can now provide tailored experiences to their customers. So first, let us figure out what is an API. An application programming interface, or API, in simple terms, is like a waiter in a hotel room. The waiter takes orders from the customers and conveys them to the kitchen. The waiter then returns the cooked food to the customer's table. Similarly, an API connects two software applications, allowing them to talk to each other. It takes information from one software application. The API then conveys it to the other software application, and then vice versa. Like cloud service companies, Meta will act as a hosting service. Meta will take responsibility for maintenance, computation, storage, network, and all the other infrastructure-related costs that come with it. What has changed is the way your request to access WhatsApp Business API is processed and how fast it is to actually get it. We will now take you through how to set up the WhatsApp Cloud API so that you can get a first-hand view of how to get up and running with WhatsApp. The first step to setting up the WhatsApp Cloud API is to visit developers.facebook.com and log in using your Facebook credentials. Once logged in, click on My Apps, then click on Create App. After that, select the app type as Business. Click Next. On next screen, provide some basic information like the app name, app contact email, and select a business account. If you don't have an account, you can leave it at No Business Manager account for this step, then click Create App. You would now have successfully logged into your Meta dashboard. From here, scroll down to the WhatsApp section and click Setup. The next screen shows you a list of the terms and conditions you must accept before using the WhatsApp Cloud API. Hit the Continue button and you are good to go. We now come to our final screen. Here you are given a unique phone number ID and a unique WhatsApp business account ID. The From number is a test number that is assigned to you. The To number is the number you wish to send your first WhatsApp text to. Enter the number for receiving test message and click Next. You will receive a verification code on your mobile phone from Facebook Business. Enter this number into the boxes provided to finish the verification. It is now time for you to test if your integration of the customer number is a success. Select the message that you have just verified from the drop-down box and hit Send Message. Now, you have just sent your first test message from your unique business number to your verified WhatsApp number over the WhatsApp Cloud API. Now that you have access to the WhatsApp Cloud API, to use it effectively, you need to add an interface. With Communicate, you can integrate seamlessly with WhatsApp and be one step closer to the customer. Communicate is a no-code chatbot builder that lets you build your WhatsApp chatbot without writing even a single line of code. Create your chatbot right now. Sign up with Communicate from the link in the description below and get WhatsApp Business API for free. In simple terms, if you are a small business owner who is now considering using the WhatsApp Business API, then the timing could not have been better. You get access to WhatsApp Cloud API in a matter of minutes, something which businesses struggled for weeks, sometimes months, in the past. Sign up now for a free 30-day trial of our amazing chatbot by clicking on the link in the description box. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date.